Example, I'll show you how I cloned this website. And on this website, it looks great. We have really high-res images. And if you ever try to clone a website, you know that's half the battle. So I'll show you how to clone this exact website. The first thing is we're gonna head over to ChatGPT. Next, I'll just type in this prompt. I want you to create high-end real estate website award style. Can you generate me an image of 3 amazing real estate designs? Now, obviously this prompt is probably not the best, but this is just for tutorial sake. So I'll run this prompt. Okay, now it generated me these 3 websites. And as you can tell, they look really good. You know, the ChatGPT Soul version is actually getting better and better, but I'm gonna use this one right here. So the first thing I'll do is download this screenshot. Next, I'll click on download. Now the next thing I typed in was, can you give me the images for the White's websites? You can also upload a screenshot here and just say, I want the images for whatever screenshot you downloaded, and then it'll generate these really high-res, beautiful images. Now, ChatGPT Soul is actually getting really, really good with images. These are really high-res, beautiful images, and you can use these on your websites. Now, in case you're curious as to where these images came from, I was too, so I asked ChatGPT. So next I asked ChatGPT, where did you get these images? Can I use them? And they said, yes, we actually created them. They were not pulled from awards or on Splash or Shutterstock. So you can use these on your own real website without having any problems. And the very last step is to ask ChatGPT to give you those images in a zip file. So next I put, give me those images in a zip file, the files for the website. And then here I can now download this as a zip file. So all the images now are in this zip. So I'll go ahead and download it. Next, we have this prompt, and I'll leave this in an Evernote in the video description. And I just want to go ahead and copy all this. Essentially, what this is gonna do is that it's going to copy the structure, the hierarchy, the fonts, the colors, pretty much everything about the screenshot. So let's go back to Claude. Next, I will paste this in, and then I'll upload a screenshot of the website, and I'll paste it here. Throw it right here. Okay, there's the website. And then I'll also throw in the images. So here's the zip file. I'll throw that in. Now, if you have a design system on, I recommend to turn it off. So I don't want it to take any of the other design systems I have. And you do want to make sure that you're using Fable 5, which is really good. After that, you'll just run this prompt. And after waiting about 1 minute, I'll go ahead and open this up. We now have the identical website that we gave it earlier in the screenshot. So you can see it is identical to the exact screenshot. And here's a side-by-side comparison. So on the right side is our screenshot, on the left side is the actual website. And as you can see, it is identical to the actual screenshot that we gave it earlier. So you can see, same exact websites. So that's how you can clone a website using the first method. Now, if you want to deploy any of your clone websites, it's really simple.